The United Democratic Party had announced the names of members that have been recommended to the party's State Election Committee for approval of their candidature to the upcoming State Legislative Assembly elections of 2023. The candidate from Amlarem constituency, Lakmen Rimboy, and the party's candidate from Raliang constituency will be submitted on a later date to the State Election Committee of the party. While announcing the names of party members from West Jaintia Hills district that were recommended by circles and submitted by the party from the district level for candidature to the 2023 elections, the State General Secretary of the UDP, Jaminu Mautho, said that the names of sitting MLA from Mukayao constituency, Nujorki Sungo, Moonlight Pariat from Jowai constituency and Dawan Lingdo from Nartiang constituency will be announced after the State Election Committee of the party gives its approval to their candidature.
Lightly kerting na lightly ki constituency. Kawai kedai jongi manujor ki sungo. Ibalong I MLA menta nang tena Mukayao. Baarpat ide I Moonlight Pariat. Iba represent ketika Jowai constituency, but kebalai kedai I Dawan Lingdo ini dina Nartian. Jadi kemudian hi nak kalian jong ke parti ke jongi, idon ke prosedur ke bangi haban board, but ke ya kedai ki applications ada Rashwa nak kalian jom ki circle bapir mo jom ke West Jaintia Hills di hadian bakila ai ke recommendation nak kalian ke jom ki di kelalet ke district pada jom ke West Jaintia Hills UDP but mentah kini lightly ki application ke support pada syaka State Election Committee ketika State Election Committee ketika final authority pada ke ban rai lor ke ya kini ki candidates pada kan berada ban recommend nak kalian jom ke district tengah kublai je kini ki rambak kilong kemir rumah kibaya nikmat nak ke West Jaintia Hills district jom ke sing UDP di kublai Shibun ya ke jingwan ke jom pi but ke mak jing ya pembit penbiang nak kalian jom pi aku bede but ki recommendation aku bede buka party tiket ya nak kalian jongi ke party misalnya ekspedon kam aku por ke ba isi ben baik
Satu lidah.